Globalization and Indian economy. Globalization is the rapid integration of countries through foreign trade and foreign investment by MNCs. The money that's spent on buying assets such as land, buildings, machines, and other resources is called investment. When MNCs made this investment in different countries, then it is called as foreign investment. The primary purpose of foreign investment is to reduce the cost of production. Producers need markets to sell their product. They can sell products in market of same country or different country. Similarly, a buyer can import the product of his interest from market of same or different country. Importing or exporting the products across the native country boundary is called foreign trade. Thus, globalization enables greater integration of production and markets across the countries. Globalization created opportunities for people to move across the nation in search of better education, better job, or better income. Production across countries. Companies cross the native country boundary in search of raw material, cheap labor, and other resources in order to reduce the production cost and earn maximum profits. Sometimes such businesses will look for government policies that look after their interests. A MNC is a company that owns or controls the production in more than one nation. These companies produce and market goods and services all over the world. Example: Coca-Cola, Pepsi, Honda, Nokia. The production process is divided into parts and spread across the globe as per the resource availability. Example: India, raw material; China, cheap labor; India, highly qualified peoples to handle customers' technical queries. Interlinking production across countries. In general, MNCs set up production considering various factors such as closeness to the market, skilled and semi-skilled laborers at low cost, availability of resources such as raw materials, machines, attractive government policies. MNCs are interacting with local producers in various locations to spread their production, and hence production in these widely dispersed locations is getting interlinked. Sometimes MNCs set up production jointly with some of the local companies. This gives advantage to local company to have extra fund for buying new resources and can take advantage of new technology for production. But maximum times MNCs buy up the local companies and then expand their production. Large MNCs have variety of ways to determine the price, quality, delivery, and labor conditions of local producers. MNCs place order for production to these producers and then sell the product under their own brand names to different markets all over the world.